Stop by and take a look at the 2018 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.